Hi folks, just want to make a quick video here. I've been on keto for a couple of months here and I've learned a lot of interesting recipes and acquired a lot of different kind of flour substitute baking things. A lot of bags of different things, almond flour and arrowroot and all the things that the rest of you on keto already know about. I was in the store a couple weeks ago and I saw this keto wheat flour blend, and that just seemed like an oxymoron to me. So I looked at it and it's sort of a lot of the different agreements we already have, but they're already pre-mixed and pre-measured and kind of work out just sort of perfectly to use as a flour substitute. And what that basically means is you're supposed to be able to use this in your normal recipes, not your keto recipes. So here's a little mini lasagna I made. I made some egg noodles. I actually made some ravioli with them yesterday, and they came out very good. And I decided I had some leftover noodles, so I was going to make a little mini lasagna here. Just pulled it out of the oven. It looks perfect. I'll take a picture of it as I cut it up. But the ravioli came out great. I made a couple other things. I'll put up pictures of those too. The first things I made, of course, was pizza dough, and it came out really good. It didn't rise as much as I liked. And again, I used the normal pizza dough recipe with yeast, a little bit of yeast, and it didn't rise the way I really wanted it to. And then I read on the back, you gotta add a little more liquid for yeast recipes. So it came out good, and you'll see from the picture it was pretty good. And then I made chocolate chip cookies, again, using a normal chocolate chip cookie recipe, not a keto chocolate chip cookie recipe. And they came out great. They all got eaten. So I'm going to move on to a few more recipes, like cake recipe, and see how that works. And I just bought another bag of this. Here's almost a full bag. And as I did this, I came across this as well. The ultimate nut flour, and it says here it's almond flour plus other ingredients. If you look in the bag, it's got a whole bunch of other things in here. Blanched almond flour, coconut flour, arrowroot powder, tapioca flour, xanthan gum. Again, already pre-packaged, so you don't have to worry about mixing it. And it says you can also use this 1-to-1 with regular flour. So I'll be giving this out a try as well. But as for right now, I'm going to give the keto wheat flour a big thumbs up. It is not particularly cheap. It's about $11 for a 1-pound bag. But hey, if you can use your normal recipes and they come out good with it, I think it's a great thing to have as part of your keto diet. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.